Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrated that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There are three things upon which I can take an oath. Firstly, Allah will not treat a person who has a share in Islam like one who has no share in it. And Islam comprises three things: praying, fasting, and charity. Secondly, Allah, when He appoints someone as a guardian of a community, will not hold him accountable on the day of judgment for that community. Thirdly, whoever loves a certain group or tribe, Allah will include him among them. And there is also a fourth thing, and I hope that I am not deluding myself about it. Allah, who covers a person's faults in this world, will also cover his faults on the day of judgment." Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 24012.